Hello, my friends. Hola, mis amigos. My name is Charlie. Mi nombre es Charlie. Or you can say, me llamo Charlie. Today we will start a new classroom in Spanish. Hoy comenzaremos un nuevo aula en español. We start with the alphabet and I will teach you the sounds and how to pronounce all the letters. The Spanish alphabet has 27 letters. Most letters carry the same sound as in English, with a few exceptions explained in the next page. Unlike in English, vowels in Spanish are always pronounced the same. Si están listos, vamos a comenzar. If you are ready, let's begin. Let's start with the first letter, A. A de ayer, yesterday. B. B de británica, British. C. C de cerdo, pig. And C de caballo, horse. Make a note here, the letters in the red circle have different sounds in different words. For example, the letter C, C de cerdo, pronounced like the S in English. And C de caballo, pronounced like K, K in English. D de dedo. Dedo is the finger. E de España. F de fresco, cool. G de gato, cat. And G de general, general. The letter G also has two sounds. G de gato pronounced like K, K in English, and G de general pronounced like the H in English. H de historia, history. The letter H in the historia is mute, it has no sound. We do not pronounce it. We go to the second letter, E, historia, historia. Ch de la chica, girl. The letter combination Ch de la chica, which was once considered a separate letter, is pronounced like the Ch in chest in English. The same applies for the letters double L and double R. All three letters are not considered as a separate letter, although they are included in the board. I de igual, equal. J de julio, July. K de kilo, a measure of weight. L de leche, milk. L o doble L de llaves, keys. M de mamá, mother. N de nadar, swim. Ñ de niña, girl. These letters are the same, but the first one sounds like N in English. Words like nunca, no, nadar. And the second one comes with the tilde above, and it sounds like ñ, ñ. In words like España, Español, niño, niña, and many others. We continue. O de oro, gold. B de peso, weight. Q de queso, cheese. R de radio, radio. Doble R de burro, donkey. These are interesting letters with the sound of the single R being smooth, like in the word radio, rápido, but the double R sounds very heavy, like in the word burro and perro. We continue. Seguimos. S de sal, salt. T de tarjeta, card. U de único, unique. V de violeta, violet. The letter V sounds like the letter B depending on which part of the word is used. I will explain these two letters in my next lesson with more details and examples. W de Washington. Make a note here. Spanish is a very rich language with thousands of words. However, there are cases where only a limited amount of alternatives are available, and that is the case when it comes to Spanish words that start with W. It is important to keep in mind that most of the words in Spanish that start with W come from foreign languages, and that is why several of them are very similar to their English equivalent. So for the letter W, I choose the word Washington. X de México. Also, there are not many words that start with the letter X, and for that I choose the word Mexico to emphasize the pronunciation and the sound. So we say Mexico with X, not with J or G. When you master these differences, you are on your way to learn Spanish. Y de vaya, go, and Y de voy, I am going. These letters also have two different sounds in different words, in the words vaya and voy. This is another letter I will explain in another lesson. And finally, Z de zapatil, slipper. Muy bien, gracias por quedarse conmigo hasta el final de este video. Thank you for staying with me until the end of this video. Here we come to the end of this lesson. As I mentioned in the beginning, learning the alphabet is very important. It's the base for learning Spanish. I hope I helped you enough with this lesson. Study the alphabet as many times as you can and master the different sounds and pronunciation of each letter. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below this video. I respond to all comments and I try to solve all your questions. If you like this video and you want to continue learning Spanish with me, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel. Please give me a like, me gusta, compártelo, share it on media for your friends to see it as well, and most important, suscríbete, subscribe to my channel so that you can be notified when I upload any future videos here on YouTube. And remember, you only subscribe once and it's free. Let me remind you, it's not difficult to learn Spanish if you have the patience and put the effort. Just imagine in your next visit to Spain how wonderful it will be when you can communicate with the locals in Spanish. In my next lesson, I will teach you how to pronounce the letters in the red circle and how they sound in different words with examples so you can practice. I leave you now in good health until my next video. Until then, keep reading and keep learning. Thank you and goodbye. Gracias y adiós.